gonna try them out. We're gonna see what kind of what we can get ourselves into next. So we might bring that food out, man. So I just got the brisket on a bun. Gonna see how it is really quick. All right now, and the fries are actually real good. They some good steak fries. I got a taste of the little barbecue sauce. It's sweet, actually not bad. But hey, listen, y'all know. Well, y'all don't know yet. I'm gonna make a video of me making my burn-ins at home. For the people that's watching, there's already some people who already know I'm the real deal. So barbecue, you know what I'm saying, I don't play with it. I'm the real deal. Solid. It's a good solid. Not bad. I really enjoy the sauce. The sauce is really good.
From the looks of it, it looks like it got hella pepper. That's not bad.
No?
It's actually pretty good.
Not bad, man. Shout out to Tasty KC BBQ. Appreciate it.